How Finteria 2024 works. Review and test of the new binary options broker. Access the platform through the link in the description. Select your preferred language and access the demo. The platform has two different charts. The first one is a simple line chart, and for trading, it needs to be paired with an external platform like MetaTrader or TradingView. Log in with your data and select the type of account. In the top left, you'll find the selection for the candle duration, and on the right, the expiration and trade amount. Expiration can be time-based or flag-based, starting from 30 seconds. The minimum trade is $1. Move on to the candle chart that uses the TradingView platform with its respective indicators. Learn how to add indicators. To adjust the parameters, place the mouse on the curve and right-click. In this example, we are using a strategy based on the rebound of the moving average. Refer to the complete strategy, which you can find in a separate video, and the comprehensive review of the Finteria broker with the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click like to stay updated on the latest news and strategies.